Go!
Annyeonghaseyo, Dong Junin. Thank you for the 5 boxes of choco pie and money for the allowance. Dong Junin, kamsahamnida. Bye-bye!
Annyeonghaseyo. So, Uncle Bunim, I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. And here is my little message for you. Uncle Bunim, I just wanted to say thank you for everything, because from the very beginning of your sponsorship, you have already shown your support and your love as a sponsor. I am grateful for that, because even though we are not related by blood, you are still willing to help me, and I truly feel your fatherly care. And whenever I need something, you always listen to me. What I appreciate me about you is that you always encourage me in my studies, telling me not to give up because I will overcome it. You also said that even if I don't receive honors, as long as I do my best, it's okay, and I can make up for it. The God knows how thankful I am that you came into my life as my sponsor. He also knows how much I have prayed for you, asking Him to bless you with a healthy and a happy life. Even though you are far away, I pray that He will always protect you from any harm. Uncle Bunim, please take care of yourself always. I hope you are happy every day, and I promise to do my best in my studies and make you proud. Thank you for all the help you have given me. I always appreciate it. I miss you, Uncle Bunim, and we love you. 생일 축하합니다. 보고 싶어요. And once again, Uncle Bunim, happy birthday. I hope you're happy on your birthday. Bye-bye.
Sa'yo, Uncle Bunim. Happy birthday! Always keep fighting. Always remember, we are here to guide you every day. Know that you will always hold special in her heart. Happy birthday!
Annyeonghaseyo. To Uncle Bunim, happy birthday. We wish your day will be filled with love and laughter. Thank you for the unending love and support to us. We, Shania, April, Andrea, and Janica are so grateful for your existence. Always remember to take care of yourself and don't overwork so much. Happy birthday.
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 지구에서 우주에서 제일 사랑합니다.
Happy birthday, Uncle Bunim. Bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Uncle Bunim. Happy birthday. Thank you for your incredible support and unwavering belief. Your generosity makes a world of difference, and we are so grateful to have you as our sponsors. Wishing you a day filled with joy and blessing. Once again, happy birthday, Uncle Bunim. Wishing you a good health always. Bye!
생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 사랑하는 들 부님. 생일 축하합니다. Happy birthday, Bunim. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. We in the entire Amudia family and the Kalabihan chapter love you so much. Once again, happy birthday, Bunim.
Annyeonghaseyo. So, this is Ira. Ira, good afternoon. How are you, Dai? Okay. So, I'm making this video as your warning, since that you have a lot of excuse and absent, and we want to know your status, since you have a lot of excuses and absence. Your excuses are you are sick and your tummy is aching, and also you have absent as well without reason. So we all know that 3 consecutive absent within the month will be terminated in the study room. So based on the attendance, you already have accumulated 2 absent and 4 excuses. So 1 absent, another 1 absent will be terminated in the study room, okay? So mangutana ko nimo dahil nganong absent man kag unsa may reason nimo nganong ni absent makatong pag Wednesday and Friday. Sakit imong tiyan. Okay. Ora. Ya kada wala na nagsakit imong tiyan. So, warning ninyo ha, wa mo absent pa gani ka next time. Please remind or please chat sa i-remind ko or chat na ako if ma-absent ka. Okay? Alright. Annyeonghaseyo. So this is Aiko, one of my students, and this is her warning video since Aiko has 2 absences for last week. Tuesday absent, and then Wednesday she notified me that he was sick, and then on Friday he did not notify me. Without no reason, Aiko is absent. So Aiko already has 2 absent. Okay. Aiko, good evening. Musta naman ka? Okay na ka? Okay, mangratanas ako sa reason being anong absent ka pag Tuesday and Friday. What's your reason? Unsay rason nimo nganong ni absent ka pag last week, 2 ka absent? Nagsugod og labad imong uana. Okay. So karon okay na ka. So gidiscuss na ni teacher ha, Michael, nga 2 absent without 3 consecutive absent without reason will be terminated in the study room. Another absent, so you already have 2 absent. Another absent will be tang-tang. Okay? Gets ra? Okay ra? Ma-absent pa dili na. Okay, very good.